What's going on? Austin here, founder of Go Automotive. And well, I wanted to bring you guys behind the scenes and give you a look at, well, what you get with the detail. And well, maybe also a couple tips and tricks. First things first, clean your equipment. Not once a week, once a month. Every time you use it, clean your equipment. Trust me. You'll thank me later. Another tip that I want to give you guys is, use each process, or keep in mind that each process is here to make the next one that much easier. So pay attention to what you're doing. Top to bottom, top to bottom. Again, you'll thank me later when it comes to drying. And yes, of course, we dry the cars, but we also include the door jambs. Stay tapped in, check them out. Last but not least, the side skirts and fenders. One spot you don't want to miss, but one spot you don't want to do first and drag all over your car. And like I said, the door jambs. And the icing on the cake, wheels and tires. Where can you find this service? GoAutomotiveLV.com. We'll see you soon.